What is Industry 4.0? Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about the idea of Industry 4.0. You may have heard the term thrown around, but what exactly does it mean? Simply put, Industry 4.0 refers to the ongoing automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies and processes. This includes cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, cloud computing, and cognitive computing. The goal is to create a smart factory that is self-monitoring and makes decentralized decisions. So where did this concept of Industry 4.0 come from? To understand that, we need to go through the history leading up to the 4.0 designation. The road to 4.0. Industry 1.0 refers to the initial industrial revolution starting in the 18th century. This involved transitioning from hand production to using steam and water power to mechanized production. Next was Industry 2.0 in the early 20th century. This saw the rise of electricity and mass production based on the division of labor. In the 1970s, we entered Industry 3.0. This digital revolution introduced electronics and information technology for the automation of production. Computers started being used to control machinery and systems. Now, Industry 4.0 builds on this automation by introducing smart and autonomous systems fueled by data and machine learning. Sensors gather data to help interconnect systems, leading to real-time monitoring and decentralized decision-making, also known as cyber-physical systems. So in summary, we went from mechanization to mass production to automation to autonomous smart factories. Key technologies enabling Industry 4.0. There are a few key technologies that enable Industry 4.0 and smart factories. These include Internet of Things, a network of Internet-connected objects and sensors that collect and exchange data. This allows real-time monitoring. Big data and analytics. A huge amount of data from sensors is analyzed to derive insights and make quicker optimized decisions. AI and machine learning. Smart algorithms can take over repetitive tasks and power autonomous optimization and control. Cloud computing provides the storage, computing power, and networking required to scale these technologies. The future. Many experts consider Industry 4.0 as the next industrial revolution happening right now. Factories around the world are in the process of gradual transformation with pilots and testing of these new technologies. Over the next decade, we will see smarter autonomous systems, faster and more flexible production, and end-to-end digitalization across the global manufacturing supply chain. An exciting future lies ahead. So that in a nutshell explains the smart factory vision behind Industry 4.0 and the technological evolution that brought us to the point we are at today. Let me know if you have any other questions.